A top focus at this hour, India strikes back after the Pahalgam terror attack. The house of two of the three Lashkar-e-Toiba terrorists believed to be behind the attack has been blown up. The houses of terrorists Adil and Asif have been destroyed by forces using IEDs. Adil believed to have played a key role in helping Pakistani terrorists plan and carry out the attack that killed 26 people on the 22nd of April. Adil, who legally traveled to Pakistan in 2018 through the Atari-Wagah border, terrorist Asif Sheikh's house has been demolished in Tral. Asif is the mastermind behind the Pahalgam terror attack. I'm going straight across to Kamaljeet for more details on that story at this point in time. Kamaljeet is at Adil's residence in Anantnag in Jammu and Kashmir at this point in time. Kamal, just take us to the details of what you see around you. Essentially, this is the residence of one of the local terrorists from this area, isn't it?
Yes, we are at the adjacent house next to Adil Thokar. Adil's residence was right here. This is where what you see is slew of media persons, but this is the house which is devastated. The family is here. The mother is here. She's absolutely devastated. We try to speak to her. There are these other two children that she has, and they say they are with the security forces at this point of time. But clearly, she seems to be shocked. But we'll just try and get a sense from the neighbors out here. ये घर ध्वस्त कर दिया गया. क्या आप लोगों का मानना है आदिल कितने टाइम से यहाँ पे नहीं आया था? क्या उसका रोल जो सिक्योरिटी फोर्सेस वाले बोल रहे हैं कि उसका रोल है, इसी वजह से इस घर नीचे किया गया?
बिल्कुल, आदिल को हमने 2018 में देखे. जब वो स्कूल जा रहा था उस टाइम वो बिल्कुल छोटा था. उसके बाद हमने उसको नहीं देखा कभी भी.
ये भी बात आ रही है कि 2018 में वो पाकिस्तान अटारी वाघा बॉर्डर के जरिए गया था, फिर वहां से ही वो पीओके चला गया आतंकी कैंप में.
ये हमको पता नहीं. यहाँ से बोला मैं स्कूल जाऊंगा, फिर पता नहीं कहाँ.
फिर उधर से ये गायब हो गया. वो 2018 में यहाँ से चला गया है. पता नहीं वो पाकिस्तान गया है, कहाँ गया है. ये किसी को भी पता नहीं है कि वो है कहाँ. घर से भाग गया तो भाग गया. अब जो ये है उसकी माँ है, इधर बेचारी हार्ट पेशेंट है, दो छोटे छोटे बच्चे हैं, मजदूरी कर रहे हैं. छोटा सा मकान था इनका, वो उनके पूर्वजों का मकान था, उन्होंने बनाया था. इनकी हैसियत ही नहीं है कि एक छोटा सा बाथरूम ही बना सकते हैं. अब उनको बेघर कर दिया.
पर मैम, हम आपसे बात करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. आपका दिल क्या कहता है? उसका रोल है, आपको लगता है कि कोई शक्ति होनी चाहिए? Not willing to speak as of now, but this is also because she's dumbfounded. We try to speak to her. The sense is obviously there's been a huge crackdown by the government forces. The cordon was laid at around 8 o'clock. Thereafter, what we also saw that around midnight, there was an IED explosion. So there was a huge explosion which took place, and that is why the glass shards, the building was devastated. And this is what you can see. A lot of onlookers out here, but very clearly at this point of time, what we can show you is the devastated building. And this is a building that we've been trying to show to you. This is where the neighbors have now gathered, because this is the impact that you see. The house that we were in, and if you can actually have a look from the neighboring house, is this area, the devastation, the house completely dismantled. But this is the voice really coming in from the government, is that the terror infrastructure has to be dismantled. Those who are behind this have to pay a heavy price for this. And clearly, even as the mother is devastated, she is not seen, and neighbors saying that they haven't seen him since 2018, just about this area. He had disappeared since then. But that's the word coming in from intelligence agencies, that he went into Pakistan via Atari Wagah border and thereafter disappeared. And this is where the house is. Can you see? This is the rubble of the house, but you can see the cupboards. The entire house, which is of cement and of wooden blocks, now lies shattered, dismantled. Onlookers there looking very curiously as to what has happened. But clearly, when it comes to the house, you can barely go in. There's nothing to collect from there, but a big action coming in. The mother not willing to speak at this point of time. But yes, the neighbors that we spoke to said there should be a punishment if he is involved. He should be punished. but they also say that there is a great sense of dismay as to how this incident has taken place, that the locals are involved, because this is where terror infrastructure is not just in the POK terror launch pads, but also by overground workers, and a crackdown of sorts has taken place. So a whole lot of them speaking right here, but clearly the pressure has been mounted by the government. So this is where we'll just try and get a sense of what has happened right here, and just have a look. This is the house, and one particular block has been left, and we'll just try and see. We can go up there and show you. This is the house, and the neighbors out here looking very curiously. Perhaps just one room now left. And आदिल ठोकर को जानते थे आप लोग? हाँ, जानते थे। कब देखा था आखिरी बार उसको? कुछ कहना चाहेंगे?
Kamal getting in those details at this point in time, where Kamal is trying to get in a sense from the neighbors about the man on your screens at this point in time. This, of course, is an AI-generated image just from the sketch that has been put out by the authorities there, giving an idea about who possibly could have been, in fact, helping the terrorists themselves associated with the TRF here.